Good evening, this is the day-end market roundup by Cinfin Securities for April 17, 2026. Today, the Colombo Stock Exchange ended on a positive note, with both indices recording gains. The All-Share Price Index, or ASPI, increased by 184.32 points to close at 22,773.29, reflecting a gain of 0.82%. Meanwhile, the S&P 20 index rose by 33.18 points to close at 6,263.94, up by 0.53%. Overall, market sentiment remained positive, supported by continued investor interest in selected counters. Total market capitalization stood at 8,211.17 billion rupees. The total market turnover for the day was 4.97 billion rupees, with crossings contributing 553.33 million rupees. The highest crossings were recorded in National Development Bank plc and LOLC Holdings plc. Domestic investors dominated market activity today, accounting for 96% of total purchases with 4,779.34 million rupees, while foreign investors contributed 4%, amounting to 195.37 million rupees. On the selling side, domestic investors recorded 4,582.85 million rupees, representing 92% of total sales. Meanwhile, foreign investors accounted for 8% of sales, totaling 391.87 million rupees. Now, let's take a look at the top gainers of the day. Leading the list was Insurme Insurance Brokers plc. This was followed by Apecented Business Solutions plc and Browns Beach Hotels plc. Exterminators plc also recorded notable gains during the session. Rounding off the top gainers list was Asiri Surgical Hospital plc. Conversely, here are the top losers of the day. Leading the declines was Industrial Asphalts, Ceylon, plc. This was followed by Pegasus Hotels of Ceylon plc and the non-voting shares of Nations Trust Bank plc. Citrus Leisure plc also recorded losses during the session. Rounding off the list was Muller & Phipps, Ceylon, plc. The positive momentum in the ASPI was primarily driven by strong contributions from Central Finance Company plc, Hamas Holdings plc, Haley's plc, CT Holdings plc, and Browns Investments plc, as investor interest in these counters supported the index's upward movement during the session. The downward pressure on the ASPI was largely driven by declines in National Development Bank plc, Hatton National Bank plc, Commercial Bank of Ceylon plc, Industrial Asphalts, Ceylon, plc, and the Colombo Fort Land and Building plc, as selling pressure in these counters weighed on the overall market performance during the session.